and you're welcome to this episode. So today we are going to be talking about something very critical, right? And it's about your website. 5 things that you can do with your website. I've had to come across people who are like, I have a website, I don't even use it. Is it necessary for me to use a website? And I'm like, really? So today I'm going to be talking to you about different ways you can start using your website. Who knows, maybe you have one and you're not even using it already, or maybe you don't have one yet because you're thinking, what do I really need a website for? In this video I'm going to clear your doubts, so sit back and enjoy. Number 1, people get to find you. Yes, that's why you should have a website, because people get to find you. When I hear your name or I see something about you, or I'm just looking for somebody who does what you do and you pop, I need to know about you first. I need to know who you are. I need to know your story. I need to know your wins. I need to know the things you've been through. I need to know, where you've been featured, and all those information. Of course, where is it going to be? It's going to be on your website. So yes, that's the number 1 reason you need to start using your website. People can get to find you. Number 2, yes, people also get to learn about your products and your services. You don't have to have your ebook on this platform, your course on that platform, this one on that. Everything can be on one place, which is your website. Okay, so you can use WooCommerce for your ebooks. You can use any of the LMS platforms available for your courses, and they will all be on your website. So that means anybody that comes to your website, they see everything in one place and they can make their decision, right? So that's the second reason you need to start using your website, or maybe you need to get one. 3, host your digital products. I already gave a hint about this in the previous point, but I'm just going to buttress on it, right? Yeah, some of you think that maybe having to host your courses or your ebooks on your website is going to be a whole lot of work. No, it is not. Okay, and it gives you the ability to be able to track all of these things. You have your dashboard, you see your numbers, you know what's going on, you know who is taking your course, you know who has finished, you know who has not finished, and all those information. Okay, so it is a perfect place for you to host your digital products. And even your events, people can get to sign up for your event. If you have a conference or maybe a virtual summit you're doing, everything can happen right on your website. Number 4, host your landing page. Okay, so you have a product you want to sell, or maybe you just have a page and you want to direct people with various buttons, and you want them to be able to see other products that you have. Of course, you can create a landing page on your website. Okay, there are different third-party tools there, but hey, you don't have to engage those ones when you have your website. And even if you want to give me the automation point, hey, you can actually go ahead and automate all of these things using your website as well. And the last but not the least is that you look professional. How do you feel when you just go, oh, my website is joyeneghalu.com, or you say, oh, my email is joy@joyeneghalu.com, and all those things, right? So it is very, very, very important. It helps you look professional as a personal brand. It raises your rep, so to say, right? So it's very important that you get your own website. So there you have it. 5 ways you can begin to use your website starting from today, right? So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more resources like this, or more resources like this, right? I'll see you in the next video.